December gi tang ama asi malem gi mafam pumnamakta World AIDS Day haiduna palan pangthok lakli. Manipur dasu the Manipur State AIDS Control Society na sinduna World AIDS Day 2021 pangthokre.
Sigi ikaikuna jariba thoiba mitunglengi famfam langda lingshin diriba Honorable Governor da ikogi yongda sajaba ikogi handmade shawl amadi Sigi thorama puina lingshin diriba Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Shri Nongthombam Biren Singh ikaikuna jariba Mukhya Mantri busu taram nokchari nolukchari
V. Bumlummang IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, ISNFW, Government of Manipur.
In Manipur, the first HIV positive case was reported in February 1990 from the blood samples of IDUs, injecting drug users. And then in 1996, the state AIDS policy was adopted and Manipur became the first state in India to have a state AIDS policy. This policy was revised in 2015. Today, we are happy to inform that HIV prevalence among antenatal clinic attendees, that is the pregnant women, which was as high as 2.7% in 1999, has now reduced to 0.51%. HIV prevalence among adult population, which had reached 3.1% in 1999, has declined to 1.18%. With the support of NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, Manipur has set up numerous facilities and interventions to tackle HIV/AIDS.
First, the launching of e-office, office automation software based on the Central Secretariat manual. It is to convert paper filing system into online system. Thank you so much. Next is the launching of Link ART Center at Sub-District Hospital, Mau, Senapati District. To make ART more accessible to the people living with HIV in far-flung area, a Link ART Center of Senapati ART Center is launched with linking out of 21 stable, virally suppressed people living with HIV from the Nodal Senapati ART Center.
World AIDS Day 2021 gi matangda Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Singna asumna haiki.
Masigi World AIDS Day 2021 Masida Numisigi celebration si mamang si pandemic na maram moiraga koi pangko pangam kidre. Honorable Governor Sir, when the Manipur state was infected by this virus in the year 1990, I was in the journalist fraternity. I was doing a daily newspaper. But during that times we are having little knowledge about the seriousness of this particular virus. But we were really full of, anxieties and confusions. On that days, I do remember till today, Tamo Dr. Khomdon, who are looking after this society. He was the key person who initiated to prevent from such deadly disease. I remember some of my colleagues, Pradeep, now they are sitting in front of me, and this Montu. They are all fuse. We launched many conference, awareness programs. There was a hotel excellency in the Tidim Road, Imphal Airport Road. I still remember. We do have different kind of seminar with the expert. Aina machine sang ai je khoina masigi laina si lapa kana khoi da pakat poi kare boy komi tor ka khoina oi chang chen be taw gi mem khang da ba do tamo khomdo na madu dai da mana mapan gi africa ron de horak pani dunia tor ka nai khoina madai da seminar taw guna ma tor na taw ki do ado ngasi si laibak phabadagi khoi 3.1% leram badagi 1.18 handare adubu national average national gi sang gi di khoi si wangi national gi di 0.22. I would like to appreciate really from the bottom of the heart the NGOs who are taking part in curbing from this deadly disease, deadly virus. NGOs mayamgi tawriba contribution I am thagale. Adubu just now I see Valentina Chanupigi wadu tar kanda. I am very sorry. I could not interact you earlier, and I did not get the information what you are facing today. And taking the advantage of today's function, I am announcing and I am declaring that from this month onward, all the HIV patients will get their ART vaccine, medicine in their home. Home delivery will be done. I did that about mana interaction. Sometimes why I am opening Miyam Ginumit courses. Sugumba habuk sigine Miyam Ginumit aina hangto iba Hill Leaders Day hangto iba CM the high CN phone number free the thamiba. Please do complain because akoi loina ide man loina khuding ma unabang phangde ngamde. Anyway na ngasi haibudo we have been arrogant. Government Jimit Pange Nangi Portu Day the lady Porto Adi human can no way be am no to put them another Mang I think Mang you are here. From this month onward launch a scheme door to door delivery of this RT that vaccine to all those affected persons. आपको वैक्सीन चाहिए हम डोर से डिलीवरी शुरू करेंगे आरटी मेडिसिन जो है घर घर में aduma ai ngasi dagi aurage adagi amana school tamba khotpa tauba madu mayam do nahana khoi khanaraga HIV affected isasing without doing nothing moi maral karino ke sukhang pote angang sing si hoi drug chaba khotpa ngahak nungai badagi thokki ba khara duna maram morakana angang macha innocent oi besing effect over ina adu sugum basida koina with care human approach akhoi moi bu yeng bi gada bani section bi gada bani respect to bi gada bani nahangai ki leirami ba yamna alarming oi ba ekta aisa bisne ekta pakhana ba matamama stage akhoi na ngasai hogolak poi do ina sai panjaki ba do madu makti hujik oidre ado hujik oidre na lai thok ko di mo lai thon ning de hujik san pi dun hari do infect tawraba mi angang nahasing guli sadi hai karigi hospital da natragna kaino sing da moina hidak lobo chat pakanda moida piriba moigi stigma khangjari ba pot ba tana da badagi akiba ikaiba leiba singdo aduna masidi hidak regularly pijaba mathau kai adage koi NGO sing yang wana taubi ai loina khangi yang kanna hona bi yang wana taubi adu mana bo koi 1.18 ta khandar phanga meni adu amuka hena kanna ta honingi NGO to widi be chil nauk singna amuka hena kanna serious roina habak mai pa ko sidi always seriousness yaur kande ta mai pa kane habak kuding natradi thawai mai pa ko ngamoi akhoi so han bada yamna confused le rame aina akhoi gi chief secretary hoi health minister hoi da health gi matam du da pai ba health minister adagi health director moi da ina no ai scheme mama honinge lairba mayam se lairba mayam lahi mungam da bugi wadana masir kaptana maran matum yonari ba mayum yonari ba bandhan thamnari ba sigi pon mayam sidagi ai kai gumakhar tongninge lahi mungam da sibna kaya ne habisi madugi khannabada akoi tha taruk tere change ba mamai to guna scheme si launch to gona gen to kan ado sinna mayam khannar ba loire matung da se CMST je launch to gibne ba CMST gi haksel gi tengbangs sakar he semak bagat ha nipan muksangi masigi scheme je koina launch song mo hana bana hujikti kya successful loire kaya lungai re mayam ana ba laing ba leiti ha bagi mamit pampi ta ba leina dre adagi marin mathum yon thong na ba leina dre honorable prime minister na su Ayushman Bharat 5 lakh scheme launch so gire kayam kanai
Thoronggi chief guest oikiba Manipuri governor La Ganesan
AIDS Day is a very important event all over the world, particularly in the state of Manipur, where the people have experienced the impact of the HIV epidemic for 3 decades. Many innocent young people have died due to AIDS-related diseases in Manipur. A number of children have been made orphans, many young women widows due to this epidemic. I am happy to know that the state has made AIDS policy of Manipur, which has been very effective. I have been given to understand that the state of Manipur was the first and only state in India to have a state AIDS policy as early as 1996. Today also I am very happy our Honorable Chief Minister has announced that these patients, the affected persons, will be taken care by going to their home itself. It's a welcoming decision taken by the Honorable Chief Minister. Now it is imperative to make modification and improvements in the policy statement so as to suit the changing circumstances and trend of the epidemic. I do hope that the experts and intellectuals in this field shall give their suggestions from time to time for making the policy appropriate as per the situation and it will be of immense help to society in mitigating the menace of HIV and AIDS in this state. We are all happy that the National AIDS Control Program is being successfully implemented in the state with funding through the NACO, Government of India. The Manipur AIDS Control Society is the nodal agency for implementation of this program. The program is implemented through active collaboration between various government and non-government agencies. It is important to note that the statistics reveal that the magnitude of the problem in Manipur at the early stage was highly alarming in the sense that innocent pregnant housewives who represent the general population had been infected by HIV. However, it is indeed gratifying to note that after a decade, the infection among the mothers as well as youngsters have been significantly diminishing. It is a matter of great satisfaction to note that HIV prevalence rate among injecting drug users and other men and women have significantly come down during the last 2 decades. Nevertheless, I suggest that the small children should get utmost care and protection in this regard. It is the responsibility of the society at large to have a greater involvement in the fight against HIV and AIDS to safeguard the future of Manipur. We as a society must also make sure to help the children who have been affected directly and indirectly by AIDS and related diseases and endeavor to make them successful in their life. Our state in the northeastern corner of the Indian subcontinent is renowned throughout the world of excellence in the field of games and sports, art and culture, and a beautiful composite civilization comprising a number of small ethnic groups. I appeal to all youngsters of the state to remove their fear and ignorance with regard to HIV issues and make earnest desire to be physically and mentally fit by involving themselves in sports and cultural activities. This is not only for their own protection, but also for saving the future generation. We must promote voluntary HIV testing before marriage in this regard. Here I would like to appreciate the role of the non-government organizations and agencies during the last 3 decades in providing preventive services and care to the people. Without the active role of the NGOs, the situation would have been worse. On this occasion, I appeal to the young people to become more and more aware of HIV and AIDS and also to participate actively in the programs and policies of the government and NGOs in the fight against the HIV and the AIDS and to help the children affected by HIV by letting them have a bright future. Let us join in making a HIV-free Manipur. One important thing is that prevention is better than cure. But about that, if I want to explain, it will take more time and you can all understand about what I have said. Tagacheri, Jai Hind.
Tungda Manipuri Governor amadi Chief Minister na stall singing sinki.
So this is the thing. So this is the NGO which is implementing female sex workers and injecting drug users and MSM, targeted intervention for them.
They also include intervention.
These are the products.
Female injecting drug users also. They have a shelter, night shelter. They are managing a night shelter.
They are engaged in some handloom products. These are the products.
आपके लिए एक भेजा है
Sir.
आपके लिए मुगा का है
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So, to promote their product, we have to engage them to make more.
So the next one,
Okay, so I am taking this to anything, paying anything for this.
Madam, please come, please.
Honorable Governor Ji, please welcome to Nirvana Foundation store. It is an NGO in which we are functioning under Manipur State Control Society. We are reaching out to the existing drug users, male as well as female. And then we are also working after in Manipur Central Satya where they are directing and then we are also covering the peripheral.
Thank you.
Honorable CM na pagkakasi harap din.
asumna thoram adu mapung phana loisin ki
120 vehicles, all the districts now.